Hey, what's up guys, KSK Ryle here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make or create a Windows 11 bootable USB pen drive. We are going to use the latest version of Rufus that eliminates all of the headaches of Windows 11 requirements. The Rufus 3.16 has introduced a feature called Extended Mode for Windows 11 that allows you to tweak the ISO to turn off a TPM and secure boot. Now this could be a flexible for those who can't install Windows 11 on their PC due to the lack of TPM. Well, with the latest version of Rufus is here to solve this issue. Now anyway, so let's get into creating a Windows 11 bootable USB. So the requirements of this video: make sure you need a computer running a Windows 10 or higher. Also, you need 8 gigs or higher pen drive. Alright, so now open your favorite browser, then click on the first link from the description, which will take you to this page where you can download the official Windows 11 from Microsoft. The first option you see here helps to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 using the Windows 11 Assistant. Also, you can directly download the Windows 11 ISO using the third option and burn it to the pen drive using a Rufus. Now, once it's done downloading the Windows 11 ISO, place it somewhere on your computer. Now download the Rufus from this link in the description. Now keep in mind the Rufus with extended Windows 11 support is in beta and it's not yet fully stable due to some bugs, but still you can use it to create a Windows 11 bootable USB. Now once it's done downloading all of the tools, just gonna go ahead, connect the pen drive or USB drive to the computer. Now right click on the Rufus tool and choose to run as administrator. Now choose your thumb drive here, then look for the ISO file and import here. Now under the image option, here you need to pay attention. Now if your system has a TPM 2.0 and secure boot or 8 gigs of RAM, then choose the standard Windows 11 installation. And if in case your system doesn't have a TPM 2.0 or secure boot, you can choose the extended Windows 11 option to bypass the TPM requirement. And the last option is for those who want to load a Windows 11 on any external SSD to make it portable. Now for now, let's stick with the second option, which is a lifesaver for my PC that doesn't comply with Windows 11 requirements. Now for the partition scheme, I would choose a GPT since my system uses a UEFI boot mode. Now for legacy BIOS users, I think you could choose the MBR option. Now anyway, once it's done, so click on the start to create a Windows 11 bootable USB. Now on completion of creating a Windows 11 bootable USB, you can see this message asking you to disable the secure boot. Now if your system supports a secure boot, you need to turn off from BIOS. Now before installing Windows 11 on my computer using this brand new installer, so let me show you guys the health status of my PC. Now as you can see, my PC is almost 8 years old and doesn't have a support for TPM. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a free space of around 50 gigabytes on my drive to install a Windows 11 alongside with Windows 10. Now once it's done, I'm going to reboot my computer. Then I'm going to go ahead and head over to the BIOS. Now as you can see, I'm going to turn off the secure boot. Once it's done, save the changes. Then I'm going to boot the Windows 11 installer using the boot menu. Now inside the Windows 11 setup, choose the language, country and the keyboard layout. Then click on next and choose to install Windows 11. Now if in case you have the Windows 11 license key, you can use it here. Now for now I will select this option. Now here choose the flavor of Windows 11. Now in this case I would pick a Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Now accept the license terms and conditions, then click on next and choose the custom option. Now under the partition setup, you can see the list of drives connected to the PC. As you can see under the drive 0, there is a free space which I have created back in Windows 10. So I'm going to select this free space and click on new to install a Windows 11. And that's it. Now sit back and relax. The installation will take some time depending on the writing speeds of your computer. Now that's it. This is how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. So what do you guys think about it? So let me know in the comment section down below. So thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.